We just hopefully that we can have a good season this year and that our guys develop and produce and become productive members of society.
I mean, just do the best I can. Always trying to get as best stats I can. Sacks, fumble recovers, fumble recalls, touchdowns. I'm always looking to get better. I mean, you can always get better. You never stay the same. So anything that's better, always trying to get better.
Yeah, last year we finished 5-5, and our goal is to beat 5-5, to be one game, a couple of games better than that, and get back into the playoffs. It's a long road to go, but we believe that you take it one game at a time. I don't know if there's anything to be afraid of. I think you just know that we're going to give it all 4 quarters, and that we're going to fight till we can't fight anymore. Right now, it's youth. We're trying to speed up the youth process. We're very young. We're 16 freshmen. The other thing is just competitiveness, and the other thing is desire and heart.
For the rest of this year, after football, I plan to play baseball for the school. And next year, hopefully, keep playing football. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. I have a couple D3s that are interested, and I'm talking with a couple D1s. Clay Matthews, he's who I aim to be like. I wear 52 like him.
How do I inspire my players? I think any good coach tries to find a way to capture the hearts of their players, and I think once you capture the heart of their players, I think you can get them to do anything.
Football is just a great sport, You get to hit. It's a team sport. You can't just do it by yourself. You need everyone to play the game. I mean, without a quarterback, you wouldn't be able to score. Without receivers, you wouldn't be able to score either. It really takes everyone, and together we're all like a brotherhood, and that's really what I like about it. It's kind of like a second family.